Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Clydesdale Homestead. We looked out the window this morning and had some visitors coming over for early morning breakfast. Hi there. So welcome to all of our new subscribers. Thank you for joining us. I want to say we just got back from another trip, and so we will be making more videos soon, talking about our pantry, about the bees, about living up here in the gorgeous mountains of North Idaho, where we get great visitors like this, just wandering through, which has a big impact on our garden and the things we can grow up here, as you can imagine. So nothing is safe from the moose unless it's in a very high fence like this, or in a greenhouse, which we intend on building this summer. Right there. You can see here, this is a bed we had last year and some more metal beds that we grew in last year, but they were completely surrounded by bird netting, and that kept them pretty safe. So that was nice. Hi, yeah, you're looking at me. Good morning. Talking about you. Pretty soon the dogs are going to start going crazy. They just haven't noticed yet, so that's going to happen. So the other area that we garden in is up here on the balcony. As you can see, it's completely safe from moose. Not safe from every critter, but safe from moose for sure. Hi there. That one looks like it's starting to get some antlers. That's pretty cool. Good morning. This one's looking for its sibling that went around the other side of the house. She's up there, or he. The chickens are a little excited about that. So you can see we have another little bit of a bed area there, and it's not safe from the moose. So we do what we can. Where are you going? And the chickens are pretty well protected with a high fence and netting over the top. And we also close them into the coop at night, so no raccoon or anything can get inside. So we do have to take a lot of precautions against the wilderness up here if we want any type of garden or livestock. You have to know what you're getting into. It's not like raising chickens or garden in the city. You don't have to worry about so many other things trying to eat your food too. Here comes the other one. Looks like sister. Hi there. So they love to eat the trees and the bushes as they wander around. Over there we have a serviceberry, which is great. And they're quite tall. The moose is never going to get all the way up to the top. There we go. Lady. Yeah. Lady, leave him alone. The moose aren't afraid of you. They're not afraid of your dogs. These are young ones. They don't care. They are not fazed one bit. And yeah. So you really need to be careful if you have moose around. Don't approach them. Let them go on their way. Okay, one more view of the moose. I'm still up on a deck, so I'm not in any danger. And these two, I'm pretty sure are brother and sister. Their mama has sent them off into the big wide world to be on their own, and they'll stick together for probably until the summer, and then they'll separate. We have a mama around here who has twins every year, and they like to stick around. So mama's probably getting ready to have another baby or set of babies soon. So she kicks these two out and they go their separate ways. So thanks for joining us today. Okay, the moose have kind of gone back into the woods, but thanks for joining us today. Some of the things we do here are because of the environment we live in. The way we garden, the way we keep our animals, the things we do are very much dependent on the physical environment that we live in. If you live in a different environment, maybe the things we do don't make sense for you. So take that into account if you're looking to start your own gardening or homesteading adventure. That it really depends on your personal climate, the physical layout of your land, what your goals are. Those are all important when you take into consideration what you want to do for your homestead and your family. So unless you live in a place like this, some of the things that we do may not make sense. But hopefully we have information to share that is applicable to anyone in any situation. I'll show you the bees real quick. This is our bee setup for the winter, and it's actually, you can see everything is melted. So it has not been that cold so far in February. Okay, so that's our winter bee setup. We'll be doing more with the bees soon, and definitely making some products. I've got some furniture polish I want made, and we are dreadfully low on lip balm. So that we need to take care of that. Some products we make with beeswax. So thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.